Welcome to TrueHost Academy. In today's video, we'll be exploring how to run a successful email marketing campaign. While email marketing may seem outdated, it remains one of the most effective ways for businesses to connect with their audience. We'll guide you through the steps to make it work for you. Don't forget to also check out our video on how to create an email marketing strategy. Let's get started with the first step. The first step is choosing a relevant email list. Imagine sending an email to thousands of people, but only a small portion is actually interested. That's why it's so important to target the right audience. A targeted list is filled with subscribers who are already interested in your brand, making them more likely to open, read, and click through your emails. So how do you build that list? Simple. Add sign-up forms to your website or social media. You can also offer something in exchange, like a free ebook or discount. And if you attend events, don't forget to collect emails from potential customers. Once you've got that list, segment it. Group people based on their location, interests, or purchase history. This makes your emails more personal and relevant. Now that you've got your email list, let's move on to designing your emails. The design of your email is like the cover of a book. If it's not appealing, no one's going to bother reading. Keep your layout clean, use eye-catching images, and stick to your brand colors. Another crucial point, mobile responsiveness. Most people check emails on their phones, so make sure your emails look great on any device. A single column layout works best for mobile, and always keep your text short and sweet. Personalization is the key to success in email marketing. Have you ever received an email that felt like it was speaking directly to you? That's the power of personalization. Simply adding the recipient's name to the subject line or greeting can improve open rates by 26%. You can also personalize emails based on past purchases or location. This makes your subscribers feel like you truly understand their needs, leading to better engagement. Next, keep your tone conversational. Imagine you're chatting with a friend, not sending a corporate memo. A friendly tone builds a connection and makes your audience feel more comfortable engaging with your emails. Use simple language, share stories, and avoid sounding too formal. Your goal is to make subscribers feel like they're talking to a real person, not a faceless company. Follow-up emails are crucial. If someone didn't respond to your first email, a well-timed follow-up can remind them about your offer or event. For example, send a follow-up 24 hours after a purchase or a week after a webinar. Use these emails to nurture leads, build relationships, and increase conversions. Here's a simple trick to increase open rates. Send your emails from a real person. People are more likely to open an email from John at TrueHost Academy than just TrueHost Academy. Adding a personal touch, like a real name and maybe even a photo in the email signature, humanizes your brand and builds trust with your audience. A/B testing is your secret weapon. By sending two versions of the same email to different groups, you can see which one performs better. Test different subject lines, images, and even call to action buttons. This data helps you continuously improve your emails and boost engagement. Finally, don't forget the rules. Email marketing is subject to strict regulations like GDPR and the CAN-SPAM Act. Always get permission before sending emails. Make it easy for people to unsubscribe and be clear about who you are. By following these rules, you build trust with your audience and avoid legal issues. In conclusion, running a successful email marketing campaign involves several key strategies. Choose a relevant email list. Focus on building a targeted list of subscribers who are genuinely interested in your products or services. Design your email. Create visually appealing and mobile-friendly emails that are easy to read and engaging. Personalize your emails. Use personalization techniques like addressing recipients by name and tailoring content based on their preferences and past interactions. Be conversational. Write emails in a friendly, conversational tone to foster a stronger connection with your audience. Create follow-ups. Follow-up emails help nurture leads, remind recipients of previous interactions, and increase conversions. Send emails from a real person. Use a real sender name to build trust and make your emails feel more personal and authentic. A/B test your emails. Continuously test elements like subject lines, content, and call to action buttons to optimize engagement. Follow email or spam regulations. Ensure your email marketing is compliant with regulations like GDPR and the CAN-SPAM Act to maintain trust and avoid legal issues. By implementing these steps, you can build an effective email marketing strategy that boosts engagement, conversions, and long-term customer relationships. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to TrueHost Academy for more tips on growing your business. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.